In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SSA 1099 on H&R Block. If you received Social Security benefits, you'll report them with the SSA 1099, and adding it correctly ensures your return calculates taxable benefits the right way. Before we begin, have your SSA 1099 for the current tax year handy so you can reference the exact amounts shown on the form. Start on the H&R Block DIY main menu. From the home screen, open Overview so you can see the major sections of your return. Next, go to Federal to work on your federal return. To make sure you're starting from a clean, predictable spot, choose Go to Beginning of my return. This brings you to the start of the guided flow. Click Next to move forward. Now head into the Income section. This is where H&R Block groups all your income types, including Social Security. Choose Add another income type. If you're not seeing Social Security right away, scroll down through the list so you can view more categories. To make it faster, use the search field and enter SSA. That filters the list and saves you from scrolling through unrelated items. Select SSA 1099, Social Security Income. Then click Go there to jump straight into the Social Security portion. On the next screen, choose Add an Account. H&R Block treats each person who received benefits as its own account, so you'll add one for each beneficiary. If more than one person on the return received benefits, you would use the same Add an Account option again for the additional beneficiary. When prompted, choose Form 1099 SSA. This tells the software you're entering Social Security benefits, not a railroad retirement form. Click Next to continue, and then click Start to begin the entry. From here, the software will guide you line by line. Keep your paper SSA 1099 by your side and enter the amounts exactly as printed, including any federal tax withheld if it appears on your form. Don't estimate, and don't round beyond what the program allows. If something on your paper form is blank, leave it blank in the software unless the screen specifically instructs otherwise. Small tip, check you're using the correct year's SSA 1099 and that the name and identifying details match what's on your tax return. That's it for adding the SSA 1099 in H&R Block. To recap, open Overview, go to Federal, start at the beginning, proceed to Income, add another income type, search SSA, choose SSA 1099, go there, add an account, select Form 1099 SSA, click Next, and click Start. Follow the prompts, save your progress, and you're good to go.